Hi guys, welcome back to the channel with the Boss Maths. Don't forget, you can also find us on X. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today we're going to be looking at expressing as a fraction. The kind of questions we're dealing with here, the question would say express something as a fraction of something else. So we will look at two scenarios here. The first one, the question would just say express 6 as a fraction of 24. What this basically means is exactly how it says, 6 fraction 24. This is written as 6 over 24. And by using the simplifying fractions video that you'll find in the playlist, what's the highest times table that goes into 6 and 24 is 6. How many times it go in? Once. How many times in 24? And it goes in 4. Your answer is a quarter. A quarter. A more difficult example would be something like express 24 minutes as a fraction of 1 hour. So here we have something in minutes and something in hours. Now, the first thing you need to do here is make the units the same. You can work in minutes or you can work in hours. But if you look at it carefully, it'd be more sensible to work in minutes, because that way we can simplify the fraction. Both the numbers will be integers, so it'll be easier to simplify the fraction. So we can write this as 24 over, it says 1 hour. So the question you need to ask here is how many minutes are there in 1 hour? And everyone should be saying, yeah, well done, 60. Now ask yourself, which times table goes into 24 and 60? You can say 12 times table, and it goes in twice for 24 and 5 for 60. So your answer here is 2/5. So this is the topic of expressing as a fraction. You could try these questions coming up just here, and then we'll go over some answers. First one, 8 as a fraction of 48. There's the first one. 16 as a fraction of 80. Next one, 18 minutes as a fraction of 2 hours. I should say hours there. There it is. The next one we can have is 650 grams as a fraction of 3 kgs. There you go. You can try these questions and then I'll go over the answers for you. You can pause the video and then we'll go over the answers. Okay, let's see what we get for these. First one becomes 8 over 48. Highest times table, 8 times table, 1 over 6. 1/6 is the first answer. Second one, 16 over 80. Highest times table is, well done, you got it, 16s, 1 over 5. Next one, 18 minutes, a fraction of 2 hours. 18 over, how many minutes are there in 2 hours? Everyone should have said 120. Here we can, to make things simple, we can just half it. You could look into different higher times tables. I mean, there's a 6 times table that goes into both. We have 3 and 20, which takes us straight to the answer. 3/20. And the last one, 650 over, how many grams are there in a kilogram? Yes, did you say 1000? Well done. So it's 650 over 3000. The first times table we should deal with here is the 10 times table. So a 0 can go with a 0. And then which times table has 65 and 300 in it? We can agree on the 5s. So it's 13 over. And now how many 5s go into 300? And we all should have said 60. And the final answer is 13/60. And there's the answer. There it is. Hope that helps you boss this topic. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.